Yeah. And then we want to look at this choice we have, like the choice we have to be our loving selves versus being our unloving self, because it is a choice. It's not something that's automatic. Most of us have this sort of concept in human frailty, this belief in the concept that God made us to sin. And this comes from a lot of Christian, 2,000 years, in fact, of Christian belief systems. And even before then, there was this concept that God created, if God exists at all, God created a flawed system. And we're just flawed humanity. And that's not the case at all. The flaws in humanity were created by humanity. They being our creations, only we can remove them. God will not choose to remove what we have created, because you can see that then God would be working against our will. We need to learn how to remove what we have created, collectively and individually. That's what we need to do.